how can you outline a thumbnail on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly how I do it. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this. Well, I assume that you already have the thumbnail finished, in the proper aspect ratio and all of that, but you want to just add the thumbnail outline at the end, like the white border or yeah, it's like a really nice effect, but I personally do it through an app called Snapseed, which is a free photos editor. You can download it from the App Store. It's developed by Google and it works for free. And you can essentially just import your finished thumbnail into the app, by clicking the plus button, importing this, and then choosing the tools to add the effect there. And the effect we want to add is, in our case, the frames. So you add the frame thing, and there are so many different styles to pick from. But if you ask me, the first one, the default clean outline is looking the best. It's just a nice border. And the point is that you can also slide your finger across the screen to adjust the width or how big the actual frame is going to be, right? So you can decide the way that you prefer it to look, and that's how you can end up with a nice outline for your thumbnail. So of course, do not forget to export that image so you can actually save it to your gallery and use it for your thumbnail. But that is it. Let me know if it worked for you. I'm not saying that this is the only way to do it, but I find it to be working well enough. So yeah, I can only recommend it. So let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I hope to catch you later in the next videos as well.